In this session, we are discussing Python dictionary. So what is a Python dictionary and how to define that one? What are the different methods we can apply on this Python dictionary? We'll be discussing that one into details. In Python, dictionary is an unordered collection of items, while other compound data types have only value as an element. A dictionary has a key value pair. So that is a very important one. So we had a discussion on list, we had a discussion on tuple, we had a discussion on set. There you saw that we are having multiple different elements are there. They may be or may not be of the same or different data types. But here we are finding this dictionary is quite different from those data types, because here in case of dictionary we are having the key value pair. Dictionaries are optimized to retrieve values when the key is known. So if you know the key, if we pass the key as argument, we can retrieve the respective value against the key which has been stored, pre-stored onto the dictionary object. So here we have considered one, there is a myDict1. So there is a variable which is containing 1:read. So what is 1? That is a key. What is a value? That is a read. Is read is a string? Yes. So it should be enclosed within single quotes. And here this key value pair must be separated by this colon. Then comma. So we are having the second member, we are having the third member, and so on. And each and every member is nothing but key value pair. So we are having this myDict2. So here we are having this name, Tridip. So there is a one member here. So comma, age colon 35, address colon Kolkata. In this way the things have got represented. So here we are having the different methods which you can carry out on a dictionary. So the first one is the clear. Remove all items from the dictionary. Copy, return a shallow copy of the dictionary. Then form keys. So sequence, within third bracket we are putting this comma v. So return a new dictionary with keys from the sequence and the value equal to v, default to none here. So in this way you are also having the get key. Within the third bracket we are having d here. So return the value of key. If the key does not exit, then return d, and defaults is to none. So in this way we are getting this one. So let's consider this one as exist. So now this is my items. So return a new view of the dictionary's items, that is the key and value. So these are the different methods are there, and the respective descriptions we have given. You can go through them, because actually we are having a plan to show you all these methods which are very much useful in our Python programming in a live demonstration there. So let us go for the demonstration for the better understanding that how these methods can be used on our dictionary objects and what are the results we are getting. So here is the demonstration for you.
Python dictionary is an unordered collection of items, and while other compound data types have only the value as an element, but in case of dictionary we will be having our key value pair, and dictionaries are optimized to retrieve values when the key is known to us. So let us go for one creation of a dictionary here. So new dict is equal to 1:hello. So here 1 is the key and hello is the value, and you see colon is the respective separator between the key and value. So this key and value pairs will be separated by this comma, and the whole thing must be enclosed within curly braces as if it is a set. In case of set also we had all the set elements are to be enclosed within curly braces, but here in case of set we only have the elements there, members there, but here in the case of dictionary we will be having our key value pair. So print new dict. So now let me go for the execution. You can find that we're just printing this this particular dictionary, and then print new dict. So this outcome has come. Print new dict1. So we are given 1 means the key value. So here we are having this key. So the respective value will be hello. So hello has got printed. If you go for this get, and if you give 2, then 2 is the key here, and the value will be high. So high has got printed. So now you might be asking me, what is the difference between this new dict1 and new dict get2? Here the difference is that if you give some illegal or say non-existent key here, so 10 is not there present. So if I go on execution, then I can find that key error is coming. So here if the key, the value, whatever we are giving here, the respective key is not existent here, we are getting one error, that is a key error. So key error 10. So that is the issue. But in this case, if I put one invalid key here, so here you can find that it is returning none. It is returning none. So that is the basic difference between these two respective statements. That is print new dict 1 and print new dict dot get. So if we give both the cases the valid key, in that case I'm getting this hello and hi as I explained. Updating value. So for the new dict 1, I'm putting hey here. So now you see, for this one, for this against this key, the value has got updated from hello to hey. So now we are having this adding values. So that is a new dict 4 is equal to namaste. Now here you can find that here this 4 is not existing here. So a new respective key value pair will be inserted in this dictionary. Now creating a new dictionary. So let me go for the execution. So print squares, the respective values are getting printed. So now remove a particular item. So we are going for squares dot pop 4. So as the key is given directly 4, so that means 4:16, this particular this key value pair will be deleted, and that's why it is returning the value at first, so 16, and you can find that 4:16, that key value pair is missing now. Remove an arbitrary item, you can go for this pop item. So in this case of pop item, one arbitrary item will be deleted. So here you can find that 5:25, it has got deleted, so the respective key value pair is now not existing. Delete a particular item, you can go for this del and then squares 1. So this particular key value pair will be deleted. So we are remaining with this 2:4 and 3:9 here. Here we have defined one new dictionary. There is a squares, so squares have got printed. Now we are going for this squares dot clear. So it removes all the key value pairs. So remove all the items, and now if we print the square, it is printing the empty dictionary. So delete the dictionary itself. In that case, we will be going for del squares. But after that, if I want to print squares, as the squares have got deleted, so it will produce one error, that is a name error. So that is the name error. So name squares is not defined because we have used this del here. So the full declaration of the dictionary itself will get deleted. Next one, creating a new dictionary using comprehension. So we can find that x in range 6, that means x will be ranging from 0 to 5 because 6 will be exclusive. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are the 6 values for x. So we are creating a dictionary that is x colon, x will be the key and the value will be x star x. So now in this case, if I print the squares, I'm getting this 0, 0 square, and then 1, 1 square, and then 2 is the key and the value will be 2 square, 3 is the key, the value will be 3 square, in this way up to 5:25. So we are getting this. So dictionary membership test. So how to do the membership test here. So here in this case, we discuss only the dictionary using comprehension. Now it is here you'll be going for the testing of the membership. So one dictionary has got defined. So name of the dictionary is squares. So now 1 in squares. So 1, this key is present. So 1 in squares will be giving us true because we are testing the membership of this one as a key in this dictionary. 2 not in square. You see the 2 is not there. So 2 not in square will produce the outcome true here. But print 49 in square. So 49 as a key is not present here. So that's why it is returning the value. It is returning the boolean value, that is a false. So here whatever you are passing, whatever you are mentioning value here, they are the key. They are the key. We are not considering this 49 which is present as a value. As a key, 49 is absent. So print 49 in squares, it is returning the value false. Now we are going for this iterating through a dictionary. So squares 1:1, 3:9, 5:25, we have defined this one. So for I in squares, so print squares I. So you can go for the execution, you can find that we are printing this 1, 9, 25, 49. So they are all the values. So here this I has been treated as a key. So respective value has been popped out and has been retrieved and they have got printed in this iteration. So we are defining another, there is a square is one dictionary here we're going for the len. So these are the inbuilt functions in a dictionary. So len will print the length of the dictionary, that means the number of key value pairs. So here we are printing this one as 5 because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 key value pairs are there. Print shorted squares, so you can find that the respective key values, they have become shorted. They have become shorted here. So in this way, we are having some inbuilt methods are there, inbuilt functions are there, or built-in functions are there in our dictionary that can be applied on the dictionary objects. So in this discussion, we have a detailed discussion that how to create a dictionary and what are the different permitted and not permitted operations that we can carry out on a dictionary. I think now the conception is getting clear to you. Thanks for watching this video.